Romeich allegedly being blamed for a vicious beating at Rebels party. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Jesus Christ, done. The man I go back to TJ. What TJ want? Done, no.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Artist, manager and entrepreneur Romeich Major is currently being blamed for at least one of the beatings that took place at Rebel's birthday party early Saturday morning at Mass Camp. Footage now making rounds online featured what sound like Romeich's voice ordering one of the associates to attack someone. Go box him down now, the voice said. Footage now making its round online shows TJ and his girlfriend Moya being attacked by several individuals. Them a go kill him, one person said in one of the videos. While in another video, a female can be heard saying Andre beat up TJ. In a much circulated video on social media, a female could be heard saying Romeich sent Andre for box up TJ. As per reports, multiple fights and beatings took place at Rebel's birthday party that ended early Saturday morning. Since news broke of the situation, a number of TikTokers and social media sensation expressed their disgust of what happened.
Jesus Christ, done. The man I go back to TJ. What TJ want? Done, no. Rebel stop him. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, Andre Nelicina? Why Andre be someone? Why am I gonna do that? Oh God, Andre will go back to me and DJ. No, Jesus Christ, Andre not. Watch out the box. Get the box. Maya done. Maya. Angela beat up TJ. Angela beat up TJ. Maya, watch out. Angela beat up TJ. Robinson, Angela beat up TJ. Watch out the box. Get the box. Maya done. Maya. Angela beat up TJ. Angela beat up TJ. What's up? Angela beat up TJ. Robinson, Angela beat up TJ. What's the police? What's the police? Angela. Nicky Krumas, TJ get beat up. Yeah, get beat up TJ. Imam Maya there. TJ done. TJ, stop. Easy. Come TJ. TJ.
Yeah, bro, me tell Romeich same wrong. Verbal tell Romeich same wrong. Me tell Romeich same wrong, bro. I was there. Bro, the people them not telling you what happened, bro. The people my dog when me talk to. And told them I'm dog. I text the dog and say, bro, you're wrong. You see me? And the dog say, he dog accept him wrong. And I say, bro, you need to start it out with them, bro, because I fuck with that. You see me? Yeah, bro. That's all me can say, bro. Me never did it, bro. That's all me can say. I see him scream record, me see what I see. See him scream record, bro. What wanna see me see, bro? How them gonna deal with it? I don't know how Romeich gonna deal with it. I don't know how TJ gonna deal with it. But stop say TikTokers them. Stop say like the TikToker them set up the man. The TikToker them a pussy. What the TikToker them have to do with it? That what me ask you, bro. What the TikToker them have to do with it, bro? Stop blame the man them, bro. Stop blame the TikToker them, bro. Stop do that, guys. Romeich have to just deal with it or you have to deal with it, bro. And as I'm telling you, bro, to a man, I tell the dog, say, yo, bro, you're wrong. Make a video tell him say I'm wrong. Just like if you are my friend and a man you are my friend and you do something fucked up, I must can't tell you say you're wrong, bro. You see me, I make a video to TJ and Maya and deal with how you gonna deal with it. Me not have nothing more to say. Me not have nothing more to say about it, bro. I don't have nothing more to say. If somebody tell me say when the fight I go on them see Swisley a lie. Cause I wasn't there.
Me just talk to now and just explain again. See? Let me just explain. Me up on the stage. Zane, me I deal with the stage. Commotion going on my back. Me cannot focus on the back. Me not see what happen. Me hear say artist a fight. Banker say I be out fighting around the whatever. Me say Banker focus on the crowd first. I could deal with the crowd first then whatever. The party police say lock off the party. Come down now. Stand up. Romeich say whatever. So me say no dog. Same time the security take off. John dog. I'm depend on no dog. No. Just turn them one go home. 5, I was the one trying to stop everything that is happening. 6, why would I tarnish my name and fuck up a party? Why would I fuck up a party but just so beautiful? Why? Not because of me, guys. Not because of Rebel. Why would I do that? Thank you for the person say it's not you. Chano dog, just be logical, bro.
Everybody see the videos of all that transpired. Everybody is saying different things. Everybody are course, everybody are vent, which them not doing nothing wrong. You understand? First thing, I gotta apologize to TJ and I gotta apologize to Maya. Right? Second, I apologize to owners of TikTok people them way. They over here and all a vibe and look up to it. Third, I gotta apologize to my fiancé and my family because what I have done, I've seen it has hurt a lot of people. Right? Also, I gotta apologize to my team. You see me? As a leader, you have to be accountable of things that you have done or decisions that you have made. Right? Nothing that I did on that night or the morning was correct, you know. It was really a rough night, and may I be real with you know. I'm not gonna excuse me, not take up for myself at all. I am wrong. I'm fully wrong. I take the bad vibe, I take the cussing, I take the blaming. When I say cancel Romeich, I take all of that. Everybody free to have them views, and you know it come off a negative reasons as well as I know because. And me do it even worse because I'm a public figure. I mean, as somebody we're supposed to know better. But I idea remember I'm a human too. I'm going to make mistakes, I'm going to do things, I'm going to do wrong. It's what I do after it. I always come on the live and tell them, say, I'm going to do wrong, I'm going to do negative, and that's how you fix it. You get me? I say, I'm not a robot. I'm not perfect. You see me? And again, apologize to TJ, apologize to Marian. I spoken to TJ, talked to TJ family. Night when I talk to TJ, talk to Maya. And all day yesterday I talk to TJ. Right? There's nothing I can say to make nothing better for the situation at all. So as I say again, anything you want to do with me, go ahead. There's just one thing more I said to you before I go into the whole vibe and something for me to have a better understanding is that my issues and my problems and my mistakes should be mine. We no need to bring my mother, my picnic, my woman, or nobody around me night. Right? If you say I do something wrong, I'm evil, I'm a wicked, fine. But when you ever tell me, say, oh, when I go find my mother and kill her, when I go do this to my picnic, when I go do that, it's not right. Because if you say me wrong, why no one do worse than me now? That's wrong too. And I just saw the lifestyle where one wrong can't make a next wrong, right? There's no way me I go jump up and make something like that happen to somebody and then just out of the blue like what everybody has say, right? As I say again, remember I want to see how I work. I have a team up, it's a one-man squad, meaning say I take over everything when I do an event. There are so much things going on that night. Everything starts on the stage where artists are perform, things are going. The first altercation where I do TJ was on the stage. I think Jay didn't ask TJ for record something. Well, that's what TJ said. For record, he might perform. Now bear in mind, I am the one that is setting everything on the stage and I know when to call, who to call out, when to call out, where to call out. While recording TJ, I want to security them catch up. Because I'm not come on the stage and the man do them job. They must say nobody enough to come right here, so I make the middle part for walk with you stay fine. TJ say yo alright. Walk up back, security ease him off. Him and the security catch up and him I say don't touch me and them start first. I'm say to him, I say TJ, just humble and man, I do them work do what I do. Fine. Him walk off and some cussing and something going with him and the security them. And I message him while I'm up on the stage and I say bro, and everywhere you go, you feel tough, you feel bad. We can give and take and the man him just do them work. I ask him 3:45 message him that. And he message me back say Romeich a styling thing and Ray. I ignore him and I say nothing. Now there was a big altercation on the stage between one artist and an entourage of a next artist. Which led to me come off of the stage and go to management and I said to them, say yo, I feel like a bad vibe will go on, so just fix it. Within me said that the youth them come off of the stage with the artist and then the youth them run go back on the stage while the next artist are going to perform. And I guess now my team and the youth them were going to run go up on the stage now, kick off, and that was the first fight that happened that night. Now bear in mind, they are a big piece of fight. 5-6 man a fight. The whole of the round it to get pepper spray, everything. We go to the road, we talk, we quell it. Right? Now, again, people, we don't want to chop, because I love chop everything and put it around. And send it in our way. Again, I'm not defending myself or defending none of the actions. But, we're human, and we just are showing a certain thing. Say, sometimes we make some wrong mistake, we make some mistake, and we make some bad decision. When we come back in and we are cool off after that big vibe, everybody in them feelings, everybody in them ego, everything. TJ came, TJ said, Romeich, your friend them style me, and I pussy. And I said, dog, done with that now and go on, man. And he said, everything good, your friend them style me. And I said, dog, easy, I don't know if I wanted the man him, I don't know. Somebody said, yo, go and suck yourself and go on. And him turn on and say, yo, the whole I want to suck on the mama. At that point, you know, the ego and everything chip in. And that's how our phone video come in now. I want to see everything. Right? At no point would I condone no woman abuse or nothing like that. And again, I'm not defending anything. I'm just telling you my side, which is the right side, and not the only side. And I'm not taking up for nothing. All that I've done, or what I would say, was wrong. Everything with my team do was wrong. But all of that was done because of me. You see me I say? So me, I stand the beating and the betrayal and the everything upon my own. See it? Nobody can talk about Rebel Party after this because we can't celebrate the greatness and the goodness and the fun that everybody have, because life is stuttered by negativity, right? And that negativity was brought to them by me because of what I did. So, I just could have an understanding, say, a lot going on, I am human, I do shit, I do fuckery, I take my blame in everywhere. But, you see, when I make things seem now like, say, I send man to go beat Maya, yo, I would never beat a woman, especially Maya. Maya is so cool and chill, right? I'm wrong for even do what we do towards TJ in everywhere, because we know TJ personally, but again, we are humans. We make mistakes. We have ego, we have feelings, right? And I just saw life set. There is not one person out of the 23,000 people that watch this way never make a mistake, never make a bad move, never violate a loved one, never violate a friend, never violate everyone of you, woman, I would do something. But we can't go around because me do something negative. No, you want to feel like, alright, cancel me. Message a whole like corporate company, they message my friend, message my family, say, yo, Romeich a pussy, the boy for go down, a batty boy, this and that, no problem. But you don't bring people, friends and family in a certain way. Right? Message TJ yesterday, I'm telling him, say, bro, anything, any consequences, if you want me pay back for this, if you want me fix back that, if you want me sort out the doctor something, no problem. Message him again and say to him, say, bro, if you want me come on live and apologize, me will take all either everything. Because again, at the spur of the moment, we always do fuckery. And it come back and haunt we. Right? Me not do the apology of none of you like me. I not do the apology of none of you sorry for me. I do the apology of the people in my TikTok. Everybody will feel that way about it. Miss Triple, Raja, Swiss, Rebel, everybody. And most of all, TJ and Maya and them friends and them family. That is who me I do the apology for. Me don't need none of you to like me. Me don't need none of you to want to deal with me. Me don't need none of you to want to do nothing want to say on another driver. Any idea? This apology is to say sorry for them publicly. And you can spread it. I don't want to spread it and you can continue to bash me. But I'm telling you this. Leave my family out of it. Can't make innocent people get hurt. Seem like, oh yeah, we're going to do something with TJ and Maya getting it so wrong. So wrong in every way. And again, there is a lot of stuff that's adding to it and there's a lot of stuff that is fueling to it. Which, I see everything, but I just hold it. I see everybody a bash, I see everybody attack, and again, they're not wrong. Because maybe if somebody did do the same thing to a friend or a family to me, would have come out and do the same thing. You see me? So, to everybody on the 1st of December, right here, so, everybody. And when I say everybody, I talk even people who like me. I apologize to Uno. The whole of my friends when I disappoint. The second time I do this. And it come like say, I just allow me, they allow certain things. And sometimes them things have to happen to make me be a better person and change too because I have an idea. I same thing happen for Swiss party, you know. I don't know if I got to show me sign or what. But remember say same night I come and I get up and I cuss after greatness happen. I'm come and say no and this happen. So it's like every time something great happens, me do some negative fuck if I fuck it up. I don't about no hype, I don't about no ego, I don't about nothing like that at the moment because it's not like nothing planned. You get me? I say, Mr. Rocha come and say I plan this and maybe I plan thing. And next thing we have to understand, I keep an event for somebody. It's not my personal event. If you don't notice me, I keep my personal birthday party free. I don't charge for come in. If I keep a party for somebody, I have to structure it a way where I know everybody call me and want something and get something I give. You get me? I say? So, I don't know why not this plan. The day before TJ there in my office, the day before we up on the live, as me telling you, say, I just things that happen at the spur at the moment. It's not like me hate TJ. TJ a cool brother. TJ's a good youth. As much as him come out and me chat him fuckery and do him fuckery too. He's a human. You see me? Remember say TJ come out and do no foolishness too. And talk enough things. But me and him never have a bad day. Never ever. You get me? I say, but again, there were stuff building up in him too. After certain things that happened a week before. But we still talk and go about it. So, again, DJ Amaya, very sorry. Apologize. And I say anything else after this I have to do to fix it, I'm willing to fix it because I'm a man way. If I see something wrong, I go fix it. If I don't see it wrong, nobody can tell me say it wrong. But in this position, I see everything wrong. You see me say? And again, apologize to my family, my team, everybody will come out for Rebel, we can enjoy posting them picture and enjoy the moment because the negativity I push and I go around it. I apologize to all of you. You see me I say? And all the people that must have cancel me. We just have to ride the wave and see how it go. You see me I say? I allow the app to. You see me? I allow the app. Because maybe sometime I just sign for other things. You see me? So, big up on yourself. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. Flip it how you want to flip it. Say how you want to say it. But again, I apologize to everybody. The female fraternity, they won't feel like me is an abuser. No. Can't talk to any female. I have never ever abused a female. I just shit happened with ego and at the spur of the moment and things was building at the event, and as me say, I'm human. Made a big mistake and I apologize. And I openly take my apology, especially TJ and Maya. Because they don't deserve that. You know? Words are words. You know, if you touch somebody when I touch you. You see me? And I ain't no idea. I just tell the people and big up for the good. Because you still have people who are sending good knowledge and care and prayers and them something now where I say big up. You see me? If you have people who hate me, I hope one day I can do something for them to forgive me. Or time me fix it. And again, I hope to TJ. He just look past this. And okay, I move on. Because I say, me and him never yet have a real bad day like this. You get me I say? And that's a learning process again. Me a 40-year-old and never too late to learn. Remember say, knowledge is key and you learn every day. You learn to be a better person. You learn to do better. You learn to become better. You get me I say? And trust me, I learn the trip here. And I don't learn off of who not bash me. I learn off of I see say I am such a big public figure that anything with me do affect my family and my friends and my team. And if anybody knows me all for my family and my friends. You see me? And I don't want to feel like I do this for Cypher. I have to come on board. I apologize to TJ. Apologize to Maya. Apologize to the people at Jamaica. Apologize to everybody that was there that night. You see me? And again, TJ, Maya, anything to fix this, I'm willing to update. Alright? I can't talk for me, I can't talk for nobody else. But me, Romeich Major, I'm willing to fix things. Alright? And again, people, I know no found disappointed in me. You see me? At the moment, we do wrong. Even me now at myself, disappointed in myself. I don't know the ego thing and the emotions and everything I run after the event and the fight. And also people, this was not while the event was going on. So stop make it seem like say, we do that when the fight are going. TJ was leaving, the event done. This was like 4:20 or 4:30 or something like that. So again, someone wanna say right, but a lot is wrong. You get me I say? And again, I'm sorry. Hoping you can have a happy week and a happy December end of the year with a wow, but I learn half of this. You see me? So big up again.